The purpose of the Section tab is to obtain an overview of the scan. With this tab, you can easily assess the scan for scatter, movement, or tilt, and determine if rescanning is necessary. In the main window, there are 4 window sections. The axial view allows us to see the bone and teeth profile and observe if there is bone recess by scrolling. With the sagittal view, we can locate the incisive canal and incisor roots. In the coronal view, we can view the sinus floor. The last view is a 3D reconstruction of the scan. If this view is blank, please select 3D volume in the control panel. Next, I would like to go over the tools in the toolbar. The Reset tool allows us to reset the zoom. If I first zoom in, I can reset my zoom by clicking the R icon. The following tools are measurement tools. For example, I can use the distance measurement tool to measure the incisal and apical distance. Please note that all measurements are slice specific. Therefore, when I scroll through the slices, the measurement will appear or disappear depending on which slice I am on. To delete a measurement, select it and press the delete key on your keyboard. Reorientation can be used to reorientate the patient's scan. If the patient was not properly positioned when the scan was being taken, use this tool to adjust the patient's orientation. You can use the orange arrows to rotate the scan on a particular plane and check the patient's positioning from multiple perspectives. Deselect the tool when you are finished with your adjustments. Layout allows you to change the layout of the window. For example, if you wanted to see 12 cross-sections of the sagittal view, choose Sagittal and 12 sections. Let's return to the standard layout. Toggle cursor visibility allows you to toggle between 3 different cursor presets. For instance, if the cursor is blocking part of your scan, you can use this tool to toggle to a different cursor preset. With information display, you can toggle on and off the information that is displayed in the window. For example, you can hide the patient information when taking a screenshot to use in presentations. The next several tools are annotation tools. Similar to measurement tools, the annotation tools are also slice-specific, and annotations can be deleted with the delete key. HU measurement allows you to measure the density of a certain area. This value is correlated with mixed bone density unit. Generally, the higher the value, the higher the density. Please note that the HU value is based on a relative scan density and should only be used for reference. To use the tool, click the mouse to place a point, and click again to place a second point to form a rectangle over the area you want to analyze. The HU value is slice-specific and can be deleted with the delete key. View Sequencer creates a video by animating the transitions between inserted frames. You can use this tool to generate a routine overview of the scan. To use the View Sequencer tool, insert frames at points of interest. To review the video, ensure that the slider is at the start and click play. You can export the video with video capture. airway measurement allows us to analyze the airway. To use the airway measurement tool, place points along the airway and right-click to finish. The fourth quadrant displays the total volume and the minimum area as marked by a bright red line. The two graphs display certain values of a position along the airway. In the first graph, the orange line displays the anterior-posterior distance, and the purple line displays the right-left distance. In the second graph, the yellow line displays the cross-section area value. You can further adjust the airway by clicking Setup View to change the parameters. To delete the airway, select it and press the Delete key. Now, I will head over to the control panel. We have the option of increasing or sharpening with the drop-down menu. By increasing the sharpening, we can view the bone boundary better. However, this may cause an increase in high-frequency noises. In return, to reduce the noise, you can increase the slice thickness. Please note that increasing slice thickness may affect performance since large numbers of slices are being computed. We recommend using this tool as needed for diagnosis or presentation purposes. I will change these back to the default settings. With Custom Section, we can create a custom view to observe anatomy at different angles. Click Create and place 2 points on the cross-section. You can hover over the Custom Section view and scroll to observe the anatomy, or rotate around the point. Click Delete to delete the custom section. If you will be making surgical guides with us, please note that the scan resolution must be 0.3 or below. The resolution of the scan is only displayed here. To change the resolution of the scan, please check the settings of your scanner.